You guys know how much I love my pitty baby, Mr. B. This summer he turned 11 and you can definitely tell in his teeth and in his breath. I saw this ad for Pupgum by Spot and Tango on Facebook of all places, and I knew immediately I had to try this. Their tagline, "Fresh breath from the inside out," is what really grabbed me. What a lot of people don't know is that your gut health is highly impacting your oral health, and that goes for humans and animals. The shape and the ingredients of these chews are designed to scrape off plaque as well as reduce biofilm from their teeth, and they claim that you'll notice a difference after just 7 days. There are 7 chews per bag, so I got 2 bags, and after 5 days, I could already notice a difference in his breath. And you can see Mr. B loves it too. Pitty approved!